Welcome back to the channel, Pyros. Today I got something a little different, something I've never seen before, and I don't think they're actually on the market yet. But a friend gave me a few of these, and figured I'd shoot a couple of them. But something different for the channel. This is actually a sparkler, and it's called a Waterfall sparkler, I think. There's no packaging or anything. Like I said, I don't think these are out yet. This is your straw that actually holds it. Never seen these before, so we'll get one of these or two of these on the page. Let's check them out, and if you happen to see them somewhere on the market, this is what they do. Waterfall sparklers. All right.
Ready?
Yep. That's pretty nice. I wondered if the plastic tip would put them out.
Yeah.
Yep.
For safety.
Nice.
Yeah, they're just really